This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments here for January 11th, 2021. Corn down 4, beans down 2 1/4, wheat down 4, Minneapolis wheat down 1 3/4, Kansas City down 3/4 cents. So a little bit weaker day, but in front of a major report on the major run-up we've had here, really just kind of a steady, unchanged type day. Saw pretty good ranges today. Markets bouncing back and forth, but at the end of the day, just slightly lower here seemed like the underlying tone. As for tomorrow, that's really going to set the stage here. Markets expecting some yield decline both in corn and soybeans, decline in old crop stocks. A little higher on the winter wheat acreage is what is forecasted, so we'll see how it all unfolds at 11 o'clock, and that'll be the highlight of the day, and maybe even for the weeks and months to come. Feeder cattle up 17.5, lives down 107.5, hog market down 22.5, so there too, more of a subdued day. Saw a little bit of give back in live cattle today, but in a lot of these meat markets, we're right up against near these highs for live cattle and hogs specifically, and we'll just have to see if we can't break out or get some new news. We continue to talk about the same boring stuff. Weights are hanging in there, seem pretty current. We're not dealing with any major COVID issues at major plants right now. We've got circumstances around that. The exports have remained okay at times, but haven't just given us that underlying lift here, and cash undertones seem to be satisfied here. So stuck for the moment is the path of least resistance. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.